Okay, we're going to add a procedure to populate a table, an exercise table in SQL Server Data Tools. So the first thing we're going to do in our import schema that we've already created is add a new folder for procedures. Then right click that folder and add a new item. And under programmability, we're going to pick store procedure and we're going to call it PR populate exercise. And we're going to make sure that that's created in the import schema. It's not going to have any parameters. And what it's going to do is insert into our exercise table, press up, a sit up, a pull up and a squat when they're not already a description in the exercise table. So we save that, close. Now I'm going to create another folder that contains populating scripts, and this folder will contain the execution statements, or the execution statement for that stored procedure. So in this folder, go add new item, and we're going to go to user scripts, scripts not in build. I'm just going to call this populate exercise, add, and that's just going to be execute import dot populate exercise. So we've got that script available. Now finally, we're going to make a post deployment script. So add new item, post deployment script. And in here is what happens once the SQL database is completed. It will use a sort of a command line to execute any scripts that you reference. So just going to get my syntax, paste that in there. So what this does is execute the SQL within the populating scripts folder in the populate exercise SQL. At the moment it's throwing a syntax error because what you need to do is change it to SQL command mode. So click that, hopefully that should disappear. So we save that. So that is what is going to execute once we've built our database. So let's close that. So we're going to right click and then build. You can see the build has succeeded. So if we open up Object Explorer, go to local DB projects version 13, and go to databases, we expand MyGymDB, look at tables, look at exercise, and if we view the data, we can see the press up, sit up, pull up and squat are now in there.